56 minus 28 minus 14 is equal to 56 minus triangle, in brackets, minus 14. So what is a triangle equal to? Let's slowly start to solve this by expanding out the brackets first. We have here is 56 minus 28 times 14. So we write this again as 56 minus 28. Since this is like a minus 1 at the front here as we expand this bracket, this is a minus times a minus, giving you a plus 14. And this being equal to 56 minus triangle minus 14 on the right here. Okay, so let's start solving this through. The two 56s, they cancel out, and these two 14s don't actually cancel out, but actually become additive. So you get a positive negative 28 on this side. So you get negative 28 is equal to negative triangle, negative 28. So negative 28, again, they cancel out, and you just get that triangle is equal to 0. So our answer here is A.